Good afternoon. We are on the Spur River, awaiting the arrival of the Canadian National. And I can hear it. It's very close. Fortunately, the river is not exactly frozen, but it's not flowing either, so we won't get that beautiful reflection we usually get. There we go, perfect timing, eh? Okay, we got the end here. I love that backdrop. That is your entryway into the Huron Mountains, where we have moose and lynx and bobcat and bear and gosh, everything. Everything. Well, that sun really reflects. Anyhow, time to jump in the truck and head down to the Pashiki and hope the sun isn't a backsplash too much. Okay, I'll catch you at the Pashiki. Canadian National down there. Wow. Wowie wow. There's another one, 5466. Yowza. See ya. There it is. See ya. They just stretched forever. We gotta get over there. And if any of those cars come by us, two CN engines. Barely see them. Oh, look at them. Oh, a bunch of CN engines. Holy crap. Wow. Good morning. Welcome to Michigan's Upper Peninsula. We are in Bovine today. I hear the train coming. I've heard it for quite a while. It is 4 degrees. And I am not using my tripod yet. I can't let my camera sit out. So I'm just hand holding it for a little bit. So we'll just see what we get here, eh? Here we go. There are 2 crossings there. That's why there's so much horn, which we love, eh? Okay, here we go. There's our conductor. Wow, Nick even had a hat on today. Wow, look at that, eh? Ooh, baby. Working those brakes, eh? I've got a ton of clothes on today. I feel like Ralphie's brother in A Christmas Story. I want to say, wow. Hey, let's see here. Yeah, I don't want to go too far over because that's a hill right there. Anyhow, there they're going, coming up to the fiber yard. So I'm going to close this down and see if I can catch them at the bottom of the hill. Oops, I'll be back shortly.